Rachel, and I am part of the Teen Library Advisory Board, or TLAB. Today, I'm going to show you how to make dairy-free sorbet using this Cuisinart ice cream maker with freezer balls. The ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and 4 cups of frozen mixed berries. First, prepare a simple syrup by combining the sugar and water in a medium saucepan set over medium-low heat. Heat the mixture, stirring occasionally until the sugar is fully dissolved. Once the simple syrup is ready, add the salt and berries to a blender. Then add the simple syrup and blend the mixture until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove the seeds. Next, turn the mixer on, pour the mixture into a freezer bowl, and let it mix for 15 to 20 minutes. Transfer the sorbet to a container and store it in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Homemade dairy-free berry sorbet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check out the link below for some more summer recipes. And follow us on Instagram @Palo Library and @Palo TLAB.